Hello guys and welcome here. My name is Yassine. In today's video we are going to talk about how you can insert a video inside of your Word document. So when I'm talking about videos here, I'm talking about pretty much videos from all platforms that you will be able to insert inside of your Word document. The only thing that will be required in order to do that will only be the link of your video. So for the purpose of this video, I'm gonna use one of my YouTube videos that I have created in the past, and I'm gonna insert it inside of this Word document. So to be able to do that, first of all, what I will need, I will have to click on the insert button just here. Then the next step will simply be going here and clicking on online videos. When it's done, the next thing that will happen is that this screen will appear. And as you can see here, you will be able to insert video from all those platforms. So you have YouTube, SlideShare, Venmo, and etc. Next thing what you want to do is simply copy and paste your video link. So this is my video link right there. And once the video is ready, what I can do is simply click on the insert button just there. And the video will be inserted and it will look like a picture, if I can say it this way. Why I say that? Because you will be able to modify it like a picture. So you'll be able to add things to it. So you can make it in a circle, for example. You can pretty much design it as you want. So like this, for example, or like this. Now, let's say if I run the video, what's gonna happen? You'll see it's gonna be in the format of a square in this case. And I will be able to run my video. So this is, well, as you can see, it's a YouTube video, and you're able to watch the video after that by simply clicking on the play button. So as you can see here, my video works pretty fine. So this is how you can insert a video directly on Microsoft Word with just the link to your video. This can be pretty interesting if, for example, you're creating an ebook and you want to add some videos to your ebook, for example, and you have videos on your YouTube channel, for example, or any other platform, and you want to add them inside of your ebook. Well, it's possible to do so. Or for any other use case that you want to use with adding videos to your document. So once again, if you like this video, don't forget to leave a like, to subscribe, and see you in another of my videos.